Hi, this is Marlene with Dixie Quilters, and I'm back. Yay! And I've got a box to open. Something treasures came in the mail. I think it was 2 Monday night sales. So let's see what I bought. You know, it was at least 2 weeks ago, and I forgot what I got. Anyway, let's open it up. It is full of stuff. And we got our beautiful brochure again. Oh, I just love it. Oh, now the little cards are pink. Remember I was getting blue ones for a while? And they say, thank you for your order and happy quilting from Lynn. Now here is a brochure that tells us, oh, live sale, April 30 and May 6th. Oh, okay. I bought 4 yards of pink flamingos. I don't know why I did that, but I did. Because it was only $5 a yard, and now I could put a quilt back on something. Don't you think? They're awfully cute. $5 a yard. Oh, there's something else in there too. Let's open that up. So the flamingos were from the 30th. And it took me a while to get the billing part finished. That's why it hasn't got here yet. But it just got here. And now this is some fabric that I got on the next Tuesday, I think. Or maybe it was a Thursday. Oh, Thursday, April 30th. And then this is Wednesday, May 6th. So I got a yard of this for $5. Isn't that pretty? And I got a yard of this for $5. I liked it because it's sort of a purple brown. Then we got some other, oh my goodness, what all did I get? I gotta stop watching that show, you know? Look at this one. Isn't that beautiful? It sort of goes with these over here. That's definitely a combination I like. What are those called? Let's see. Watercolor flowers, $5. Honeycomb, $5. Tiny purple flowers, $5. Now the rest of this is special. Look at that. I got Moana. I got a yard of Moana for $5. I got a yard of Ariel, $5. I got a yard of Disney Fantasy. Let's see. It's got the Cinderella pumpkin. It's got the Disneyland castle. It's got characters that you might recognize. Oh, is that the little bird from Cinderella? I think so. This is pretty much all Cinderella. Okay. Very pretty. Then we got a yard of Stitch. I like it because some of the words in the printed are Stitch and then Angel and Aloha. That's pretty much it, but isn't that pretty? Pink and blue, Stitch, and then look at this. Here is that girl from The Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and the Beast girl. What's her name? Wonder if it says on the side. Belle. Isn't that just darling? So, all of that stuff for $5 a yard. Man, oh, man, oh. So for 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 yards of fabric, I paid $49. No, it was a total of $60. And then I had a gift certificate I used some of. So isn't that wonderful? So this is soft squares. And they are running some super Dino Whoppin' deals. And they are doing their regular Monday night sales at 5 o'clock Pacific, I think. Maybe it's 4 o'clock. Seems like it's 4 o'clock Pacific, but I'll have to check into that. Seems like whenever I get there, they've always already started. So anyway, so we'll find that out. And then they're doing these special little sales that come up with just $5 fabric. And of course, there's mints. So I'm pretty thrilled with old soft squares. Thank you, Lynn and Marlon. That's really wonderful. And you can see behind me that I've been really working on my Jane Austen. Boy, oh boy, I didn't get all of the leaves hand stitched down yet, but I couldn't wait. I had to put those borders on. So I put this little skinny border on, and then I made this one, and then this little border, this big border, and those guys. Now I've got these borders done, but I'm going to wait until I get the rest of that handwork done, because it's really hard to work on the handwork when you have to sort of scrunch it up to get in underneath there. I think I'll get that done this weekend. But, so that's my box from Soft Squares, and it's really fun. You got to try some of their live sales. It's like a comedy show. Lots of laughter and happiness and fun things. And if you watch Lynn on her Saturday Stitchuation, that is a really nice show. She's looking at about 6 different projects that she's working on, and they are all kitted projects that she's available and has made. And I went on the website and looked them up, and I saw 4 of the 6. I think 2 are still in progress being put on the website. But I really like the Christmas pines, Jingle All the Pines, Jingle All the Way, something like that. I like that one. If you search Jingle, you'll find it under Jingle. I really like the abstract geometric one with all the colors. Oh man, is that ever gorgeous. And let's see. Oh, she's got another one coming that's not on the website yet. That is, it's like farm animals, farm things. And very darling, very darling. So check it out. You might like it. I'm sure you'll like it. So take care, and thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for all my new subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I've got over 1,000 now, and we're really close to having 4,000 watch hours. So that's a big thing with YouTube too. And those of you who won the prizes, I want you to know I've got the shipping envelopes finally, and I've got a box for the boxed one, and I'm hoping to get those labeled and out the door this week. So please be patient. It's coming your way. And if you haven't heard about that, check back on that, because I did a drawing and a second drawing, and I had 4 winners, and they all won some really, I think, really nice things. So thanks again for watching. Please be sure to do that thumbs up thing. And yeah, that's it. Okay, see you next time around. Thanks for watching. Bye.